Fox and Whisker. Yeah, I just wanna kiss her. Maybe even lick her. Maybe take her on a date, not too late, like about around 8. That'd be great. Applebee's or Little Caesars. Buy her some new sneakers, colors red and blue. Then she took off her shoe. And you know what happened next? Well, let me say it rhymes with next. We played Xbox Connect. Then I went in for the hug, trying to show love, but she slapped me in the face, called me a disgrace. Our whole relationship, yeah, it's misplaced. She ran out the house in the yellow blouse. Man wanted to be the spouse. I ate alone in the dark. I cried all alone in the park. Now we passed the sad arc. So I went to her house and brought some flowers. Standing tall, straight like a tower. Don't slouch or cower. She smiled and kissed me on the cheek. Eek, we got a bird, yeah, nice beak. Beak, had a house leak, had a family. Then she grew weak, couldn't even speak. Final words were I love you, weak.